Hello everyone! This is a tutorial on how to use Google Earth in order to take a 3D screenshot of a landmark in your state and the state capitol building. So first off, you're just going to open up your iPads, do a search of Google Earth, press the app, which you should already have downloaded, and then what you'll do is just kind of zoom in on the United States. What I want you to do first is kind of view it like this and then take a screenshot of it. So first off, in order to take the screenshot, you're going to press the home button and the lock screen button at the same time. And then a big flash will appear. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. And then what you'll do is type in the landmark that you found using one of the websites on our school webpage. So first, I'm going to do a search. So the state that I'm researching is Nebraska, and what I found from using the website is that one of the landmarks is called Chimney Rock. So what I'm going to do is type in Chimney Rock in Nebraska. Do search. Let the app slowly take you to Chimney Rock or to your landmark. And so it'll take a little bit of time to let it fully show you the details of the image. So from right here, we can see that there is Chimney Rock. And this little red pin where it has an A on it, that just shows you the location of it. That's where the pin drops to take you to your landmark. So kind of zoom in and zoom out. Look around the area of your landmark. Now this is not required, but it's kind of cool to do. Kind of twist around. The first thing that you may want to do is take a screenshot of where your landmark is located in your state. So if I zoom out, I can see that Chimney Rock is clear on the northwest side of Nebraska. This is not required, but you can take a screenshot if you want to. That way you just kind of know where the landmark is. And then what is required of you to take is a 3D screenshot of your landmark. So all I'm doing is zooming in and then using my fingers to kind of view the different angles and the different sides of Chimney Rock. So an example of a 3D screenshot picture, which is what you will need to include, would be something like this. It shows what the landmark is, it shows a 3D view, and it also has the name of it. So I'm going to take another screenshot of that. And then just take a little bit of time to explore the different angles of it, the different sides, and even the land around it. After you have taken a screenshot of the 3D view of your landmark, then go back up to the search box, and now you're going to find the state capitol building in your state and take a screenshot of that. Now in order to find the state capitol building, you don't even have to know what the city is yet. So for example, in Nebraska, if I didn't know that Lincoln was the capital of Nebraska, I can still find the state capitol building. All I would do is search the state, so mine is Nebraska, and then type in state capitol and search. And then again, it'll drop a pin on it. And there we go. If you don't want this box where it says Nebraska State Capitol, and it says the address of it. If you don't want to include that in your picture, which I would suggest you not, all you have to do is click somewhere else on your screen and it'll go away. So if I wanted to take a 2D screenshot picture of the Nebraska State Capitol, it would be just like what you see on the screen right now. But it's really cool to kind of zoom in on it and view the 3D aspect. So beforehand, you couldn't really see how tall the Nebraska State Capitol is. And if you zoom in, you can see all the details of it. Then once again, take the time to kind of look around the image and see what buildings or parks surround the Capitol. And then what you want to do is take a 3D screenshot. You can kind of play with it a little bit to get exactly what you want. What I'm going to do is try to get the front of it. It looks like there's 4 entryways. So let's do one right here. And it can be kind of tricky, so if you do need help with it, feel free to ask me and I will be happy to come and help you. So that's a good spot. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of that. And remember, your screenshots will always go to your photos. And then once again, you can kind of zoom out to see what's around the state capitol. You can see a football field, some softball and baseball fields, some houses, and then just kind of zoom out to see where the location is. So we can see that the Nebraska State Capitol is located in Lincoln, and that Lincoln is located in the northeast region of Nebraska. So then again, this is not required, but you can take a screenshot. It might help you and it might be helpful to include this in your presentation, but it is not required. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me.